Welcome to our series, Estate Planning for Blended Families. Today, we're diving into the heart of what makes blended family estate planning unique and essential. In a blended family, you're working with the beautiful, complex puzzle of love, legacy, and relationships that come together from different parts of life. Crafting an estate plan that honors each family member, whether a spouse, child, stepchild, or even extended family, isn't just about paperwork. It's about safeguarding connections and ensuring everyone is valued. In this video, we're exploring how you can set meaningful goals for your estate plan that reflect both your hopes and the unique structure of your blended family. From prioritizing harmony among loved ones to protecting your legacy across generations, we're here to help you make empowered choices. Get ready to dive into an inspiring journey of intentional planning, where you'll gain the tools to create a lasting legacy of unity, respect, and care. Let's get started. Your family's future awaits. Help people define their estate planning goals. In the video series, Estate Planning for Blended Families, the section on helping viewers define their estate planning goals is crucial in guiding individuals towards creating a comprehensive and personalized estate plan that reflects their unique family dynamics and financial situations. This section aims to assist viewers in clarifying their objectives and priorities when it comes to planning for the distribution of their assets and care of their loved ones after they pass away. 1. Understanding family dynamics. The first step in defining estate planning goals is to understand the complexities of blended families. Viewers are encouraged to consider all family members, including stepchildren, ex-spouses, and other relatives who may be part of their family structure. By acknowledging these relationships, viewers can identify potential challenges and opportunities that may arise during the estate planning process. 2. Identifying beneficiaries and heirs. Viewers are guided to identify their beneficiaries and heirs, including both biological and stepchildren, spouses, grandchildren, and other loved ones. By clearly defining who will inherit their assets, viewers can ensure that their wishes are carried out according to their intentions. 3. Financial goals and obligations. Estate planning involves more than just distributing assets. It also encompasses managing debts, taxes, and other financial obligations. Viewers are encouraged to outline their financial goals, such as providing for their spouse, children's education, charitable giving, or minimizing estate taxes. By setting clear financial objectives, viewers can tailor their estate plan to meet these specific needs. 4. Protecting vulnerable family members. Blended families often include vulnerable family members, such as minor children, individuals with disabilities, or elderly relatives. Viewers are advised to consider how to protect and provide for these family members in their estate plan, including setting up trusts, naming guardians, or establishing healthcare directives. 5. Maintaining family harmony. Estate planning can sometimes lead to conflicts among family members, especially in blended families. Viewers are encouraged to think about ways to promote family harmony and prevent disputes through open communication, transparency, and fairness in their estate plan. By addressing potential sources of conflict proactively, viewers can minimize the risk of disputes arising in the future. 6. Updating estate plan regularly. Lastly, viewers are reminded of the importance of regularly reviewing and updating their estate plan to reflect any changes in their family structure, financial situation, or legal regulations. By staying proactive and keeping their estate plan current, viewers can ensure that their goals and intentions are accurately reflected in their plan. By providing viewers with guidance on defining their estate planning goals, the video series, Estate Planning for Blended Families, aims to empower individuals to create a comprehensive and effective estate plan that addresses their unique needs and priorities. Discuss the importance of considering the needs of all family members in the planning process. In estate planning for blended families, it is crucial to consider the needs of all family members in the planning process. Blended families typically consist of individuals who have come together through remarriage or other forms of partnership, bringing with them children from previous relationships. This dynamic can present unique challenges when it comes to estate planning, as there may be competing interests and potential conflicts among family members. One of the key reasons why it is important to consider the needs of all family members in the estate planning process is to ensure that everyone is provided for and that their interests are taken into account. By actively involving all family members in the planning process, you can help avoid misunderstandings, resentment, and disputes that may arise after your passing. Moreover, considering the needs of all family members helps promote fairness and equity in the distribution of assets and wealth. It allows you to tailor your estate plan to address the specific circumstances and requirements of each family member, taking into consideration factors such as age, financial situation, and personal relationships. Additionally, involving all family members in the estate planning process can help foster communication and collaboration within the family. By discussing your wishes openly and transparently, you can encourage constructive dialogue and ensure that everyone has a clear understanding of your intentions. This can help build trust and solidarity among family members, strengthening relationships and reducing the likelihood of conflicts in the future. When planning your estate for a blended family, it is essential to consider the needs of all family members to promote fairness, prevent conflicts, and foster communication and understanding. By taking a comprehensive and inclusive approach to estate planning, you can ensure that your wishes are respected and your loved ones are provided for in a manner that reflects your values and priorities. Highlight common objectives for estate planning in blended families. In estate planning for blended families, it is crucial to address common objectives to ensure that the interests of all family members are protected. Here are some key objectives that are typically highlighted in estate planning for blended families. Providing for spouses. One common objective in estate planning for blended families is to ensure that the surviving spouse is taken care of financially. This may involve setting up trusts or other arrangements to provide for the spouse, while also protecting the interests of children from previous relationships. 2. Protecting children's inheritance. Another important objective is to safeguard the inheritance of children from previous relationships. This may involve setting up trusts, specifying beneficiaries, or creating specific provisions in the estate plan to ensure that children receive their intended inheritance. 3. Minimizing family conflict. Estate planning in blended families often aims to minimize conflicts among family members by clearly outlining how assets will be distributed and by addressing potential sources of disagreement up front. This can help prevent disputes and ensure a smoother transition of wealth. 4. Providing for stepchildren. Estate planning in blended families may involve providing for stepchildren, especially if they have been an integral part of the family unit. This can be done through specific bequests, trusts, or other arrangements to ensure that stepchildren are not left out of the inheritance plan. 5. Addressing complex family dynamics. Blended families can have complex dynamics, including relationships with ex-spouses, stepchildren, and other relatives. Estate planning aims to address these complexities by considering all family members and their unique circumstances to create a plan that is fair and equitable. 6. Planning for long-term care. In blended families, it is important to consider long-term care planning for aging family members. This may involve setting up provisions for healthcare costs, nursing home care, or other medical needs to ensure that family members are taken care of as they age. 7. Updating beneficiary designations. One crucial objective in estate planning for blended families is to regularly review and update beneficiary designations on retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other assets to reflect changing family dynamics and ensure that assets are distributed according to the most current wishes. By addressing these common objectives in estate planning for blended families, individuals can create a comprehensive plan that protects the interests of all family members and minimizes the potential for conflicts or disputes in the future. Working with a qualified estate planning attorney can help ensure that these objectives are effectively incorporated into the estate plan. As we wrap up, remember that estate planning for a blended family is more than just a financial decision. It's a testament to your love, values, and vision for the future. By putting thought and care into each choice, you're creating a legacy of unity, fairness, and compassion that will shape your family for generations to come. This journey isn't always simple, and it might raise complex questions, but each step you take brings clarity and peace of mind. You're building a foundation that ensures each family member feels valued, protected, and considered. In taking this step, you're not only safeguarding assets, you're setting an example of intentional, lasting love and responsibility. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to plan with purpose for your blended family's future. May this plan reflect the best of who you are and the life you want for those you hold closest. Remember, with the right planning and support, you're creating more than just security. You're building a legacy that honors everyone you care about.